Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft. In this video I will continue my Bitrix training course, and today we will discuss tasks. So if you will go to the automation rule, go to create, go to task management, and we'll discuss these robots in this video. Okay, let's discuss that robot, which is task creation. We discussed that robot before. In that video we'll just repeat that. Okay, so create task, click add, and we cancel that for now, and we'll move to that stage, save, and we will just put here create task with name test. Description will be test as well, and also we can use some data here, but we will discuss that later again. And so in the task will be responsible or the deal in that particular case. So we can set up the deadline, for example, in 5 days after task created. And so this is a custom fields, course, sector, and also we can use observers, tags, and so on. Okay, save. So we got a deal with that name, and we move that deal. So I need to close that task, and we move that deal to that stage, product edit. Okay, right, and we got task created with name test, and deal test2 created and responsible. Okay, so let me change that task created stage. Let's go for automation rule again, click create, and now we have task management, watch for task status. So I will change that stage in deal section, for example, completed task. So that means that if task completed in any stages of the deal, and you can add some condition here, such as, for example, task name, or some description or priority and start date, deadline, and so on. Based that filters, you can move here all deal which got completed task. Okay, so I got here in that deal, I got task, so I will complete that. Now I update deal, and deal move from that stage to that stage because task completed. So that particular trigger work if you got task in deals before stages, but if you will check that, save, move deal in stage before task completed stage, inside here create task. Okay, so I got a task, update, then I will check that as completed and refresh my task. So the task moved from that stage to stage because I allowed that to do. Good. Okay, let's go for another robot. I will move that forward for now, and I will go to task management and watch for task status, get task information. How we can use this? For example, you creating a task automatically, and then you want to extract data from that task and send to the employee or user or somebody else, or even save on some fields in documents or inside to the deal. In that particular video I'll show you how you can add that to notification, because quite common case to use. I will put that task after create task, because if I am doing that, in that particular case I can extract ID of a task which created, which is in that field. So if I click here, automation rule, create task means that robot, and create get task ID. Okay. If that robot wouldn't be exist here, I wouldn't have access to task ID. Then I'm extracting name of a task, right? And then I'm copy that helper, and I will extract get task information name. Okay, and here get task information description. Okay, and in here I'm going to extract from task ID, extract description. Then I'm going to create employee alerts, add notification, or for example could be post or something else. Okay, I'm moving here, and inside of that, so I can use exception, time, condition, blah blah blah. And here I'm going here, extracting data page, for example the responsible name. Okay, you go to task, get task information name, so we use a helper, so we extract data here and now we put in that data here. You should do, and description, task description, and sender will be for example admin. Of that portal. Recipient will be responsible of the deal. Save. So I move that task in that section, create a task, get information and send notification. And voila, I got a notification. I got notification, this is user 1, which is me. You got task test, you should do description, and you go to the deal and open the task and execute. Good. Now also we got a robot which is about to end the task, but that robot complete only task which created automatically, so you're not able to end the task using that robot which created manually. And for example, we'll move this task robot here, and here we will set up complete task created in pipeline general, which is we here in general pipeline, and task created while in stage, one stage, task created stage. Okay, so what we done
using call center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else.
If deal in general, and if after you automatically got a robot which created task created stage here and task. Okay, let's check that. So we got created task, notification, check, task, and go task complete, and task completed. That's it. In that short video we discuss all these 3 tasks, and then we will discuss data storage and modification. Okay, so if you like that video, click like. If you got any questions regarding that video, please put your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.